can I show you faceless AI YouTube niches that are insanely viral, getting millions of views, that I can prove are actually being monetized? And can I show you the prompts and AI models that I use to make videos exactly like these two? Well, that's the challenge I have set myself today. So thank you to Higgsfield AI for sponsoring today's video. And for now, let's just jump straight into it. And we'll start with the first faceless niche, which is this: history recreation videos. Yes, this one is super cool. This is a niche that has been popping off recently, and it is popping off big time. People are getting hundreds of thousands to millions of views, creating videos which use AI to recreate people and places in history to make it easier to imagine what it all actually looked like. For example, take this video here that has gotten over 2.3 million views. It combines AI images with some AI videos together to recreate the history of London, and it has an AI voice on top explaining each event as it takes place. It's honestly pretty cool, especially the AI video portions. And so as a result, people love it and it's growing super fast. They've had lots of long form videos gain hundreds of thousands to over 1 million views. And if you pop this channel into Social Blade, the YouTube channel tracker, you'll see that across the shorts and long videos of this channel, they've gained over 76 million views, with a very nice estimated yearly ad earnings range too. However, of course, this only matters if AI history recreation videos are actually eligible to get monetized, right? Which is why you need to know about the thanks and join button trick, because this lets you check if channels in a faceless niche are actually being monetized before you start a channel in it. Yep, so you might have noticed that some of the channels on YouTube have a join button that lets you join a paid membership program with different tiers that get you exclusive content or features. And you also might have noticed and seen that some videos have a little thanks button that you can click and tip the creator cash. Well, to turn on either memberships or thanks or both, creators need to be in the YouTube Monetization Partner Program, as these are optional features only available to monetized channels. Although as they are optional, lots of channels don't turn them on even if they can. So just because you don't see either of these buttons on a channel doesn't mean that the channel is not monetized. A lot of creators, such as myself, choose to not turn on memberships because it is extra work to have to manage them. And a lot of creators don't bother turning on the thanks button because honestly, very few viewers actually do leave a tip anyway. Which is fair enough, you know, but this trick is still useful. Because let's say that you are interested in a niche. You can check over multiple channels in the niche to see if any of them had turned these features on. And if they have, you know their videos are being monetized. So then, if you're interested in starting a channel in this niche, let me show you how I made my own AI historical clip using frame to video, which is when you generate an AI image and then turn it into a video. It's a simple yet effective process, and to do it, I'll be using the video creation tool, Higgsfield. So I just logged in and clicked to generate an image with Nano Banana Pro. And also, full disclosure, as I said earlier, Higgsfield agreed to sponsor today's video, and I wanted to use it because what makes Higgsfield unique is it combines all of the top video and image generators into a single website. This makes it convenient if, like I will be, you use different images and different video models and you don't want to have to pay for subscriptions to multiple platforms to get access to watermark-free images and videos. Plus, as you'll see, I will also use the latest Kling video model a lot, and when I priced it out, it was actually cheaper to use Kling through Higgsfield rather than Kling's own website. But yes, check out the image Nano Banana made for me, love it. So I downloaded this picture, then next I came and opened up the Kling 3.0 video model, and I picked this because honestly, most creators are on a budget and AI videos can be expensive, and Kling 3.0 is, in my opinion, probably the best balance right now between price and results for creators who can't afford to spend hundreds of dollars per month on subscription plans. Plus it includes sound effects too. It's pretty cool. Check it out. Alright, on to the next niche, impossible ASMR videos. And like with the history recreation videos, this is a niche that has been popping off in the last few months, getting millions of views. People generate videos of impossible things like crazy beds, staircases, pools, things like that. And if you listen to them, you'll see that they have generated sounds as well, which is why they are labeled as ASMR videos. Like take this one, it's had over 38 million views in the past 3 months. We'll give it a quick watch and listen and you'll see what I mean. And it's kind of crazy, right? This channel has been posting videos now for just 3 months, yet if we check it out on Social Blade, it's already had over 64 million long-form views, which unsurprisingly means its estimated average yearly ad earnings range is also very nice too. But of course, the question is this: can this niche even be monetized? And well, the answer is yes, it is. I found multiple channels in it that had the thanks button or memberships turned on in their videos, which means they are in the partner program. So if you're interested in making videos in this niche yourself, let me show you how I made a clip in this niche too. So first off, I came to my favorite image generator for realistic pictures, Nano Banana Pro, to generate an image for me, which it did no problem. Then I came to Kling 3.0 and I again used the frame to video option to turn the picture into a video. And I made sure that sound effects were turned on since these are crucial for the ASMR component. And then I made the video. So check out what it made. So, on to the next faceless AI niche, cozy anime videos. Yep, this is another niche that has been popping off in the past few months because previously AI video generators struggled with anime, but recent advances mean that finally it can actually do it. And as a result, anime videos that give off a cozy, calming vibe have been going super viral on YouTube recently. So for example, you take this cute video here, right? In the past 3 months, it's gained over 2.3 million views. It tells a cozy little story of a family going on a camper van trip to the beach. And here's the thing, right? There is actually a pretty simple calculation you can do to try to estimate the ad revenue that a video like this could have earned. Basically, the way that it works is that on YouTube, creators like me get paid by splitting ad revenue with YouTube, and how much we earn depends on what advertisers are willing to pay. So the amount of money that we get paid generally does change from video to video, but on average, YouTube usually pays us creators about $3 to $8 per 1,000 views, which in other words means the average RPM rate. So if you do the math, you can take this RPM rate and then you can take the amount of views that the video has gotten, and then you can figure out the average expected ad revenue that you would get from a video like this. But of course, this only matters if YouTube actually monetizes cozy anime videos like this, right? So I checked and yep, I discovered multiple cozy anime channels had either turned the memberships button on or the thanks button on, showing that they are in the partner program. So this time, to save credits, I actually came to Nano Banana 2 instead of Nano Banana Pro. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the Pro model, but for images that don't need to be hyper realistic, Google's cheaper image generator, Nano Banana 2, is usually just as good. So I asked it to create my image in a cozy cinematic anime style and check it out. This is what it made for me. Very cool. So I downloaded it, then I came back and selected Kling 3.0 from the menu, and again I did the frame to video option, noting this time in the prompt box that I wanted it to animate it in a classic cinematic anime style. So check out the video that it made. Super cute, right? So on to the next niche. But first, if you are enjoying this video, please do consider giving it a like. I make a lot of tutorials on this channel about how to use AI tools, and there are a lot of people that don't like AI that leave a lot of hateful comments, which honestly can be very demotivating, but it is on the flip side very motivating when people do click like and comment nice things. So if you do choose to click like, thank you. It genuinely means a lot to me. Alrighty, on to the next niche, which is this, AI music channels. Yes, so if you don't know what these are, they are basically channels that upload videos that are usually 1+ hour long that contain a compilation of music tracks that are AI generated. These videos and channels are usually themed around a particular genre, topic or vibe, and as you can see, these videos can get millions of views. Like take this video here, it was posted just 7 months ago and it's already had over 3.6 million views. Which again, if you do the math and you take the average RPM, you can figure out that this is a very nice estimated amount of ad revenue. But of course, this only matters if the channel itself can be monetized, right? And so check it out. This channel has a paid membership turned on, meaning it's part of the partner program. And making your own AI music to turn into a compilation is pretty easy. Almost all creators these days are using this AI tool, Suno. You literally just open up Suno, type in what you want your song to be about and what vibe or theme it should have, and that's it. It'll generate a new song for you. So here is a snippet of one of the songs it made for me. Check it out. Pretty cool, right? But now the question is, what about the visuals? So probably the most popular type of visuals is to do what this video here does and create some sort of looping animation that you can play on top of your music. And if you know the start to end trick, creating a looping animation is pretty simple to do. So what I did was I opened Nano Banana. If you're creating a cartoon scene, you can use either version, although if you're making a photorealistic scene, again, I'd use Nano Banana Pro. But either way, I got it to generate a starting picture for me, and I got it to make multiple options to pick from. And out of these, this one was my favorite, so I downloaded this picture. Then next I came and opened up the Kling 3.0 video generator, and I uploaded this image and placed it in the starting frame. And then I did something else. I also placed it as the final frame, and then I prompted Kling telling it what I wanted the animation to do. And I changed the length from 5 seconds to 15 seconds, and then I generated the animation. And so check it out, because I made the starting frame the exact same image as the final frame for this clip, it means I have created a perfect loop. I can copy and paste this clip as many times as I want, and it will seamlessly loop over and over again across all of my music. But here's the thing, right? You don't just have to create one loop. Nope, you can come here and run the same prompt multiple times to generate multiple clips. Then what you can do is you can take the clips that you have created and combine them together. Since all the clips you've generated have the exact same image as the first frame and the last frame, this means that you can copy and paste your clips throughout your video in any order that you like to vary up what exactly is happening in the scene, and it will play together seamlessly. So for example, you could go ahead and generate 10 different scenes and then mix and match them throughout your video to keep the visuals interesting. It's really just up to you and your imagination. Okay then, let's now move on to the next niche. AI motivational stories. Yes, this niche has had a huge resurgence lately, becoming very trendy again. Basically, if you don't know what these are, they are videos where some sort of inspirational or self-help story is told, oftentimes related to a parable. And what's interesting is that most of the time, these videos don't even include animations. Instead, they just use pictures for their visuals. For example, this video here is just AI images with an AI voiceover, and it's kind of crazy, but it's had over 3.9 million views. And again, if we use that RPM calculation from before, we can estimate that 3.6 million views would be a nice amount of ad revenue. But as we've established, this only works if motivational story channels are actually getting monetized. So I went and checked. And yes, I found multiple channels in this niche that either had memberships turned on or had the thanks button turned on, proving that they are in the partner program. So yeah, if you want to try these out for yourself, you can use either Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2 to make the images for these. If you want a photorealistic style for your images, I recommend the Pro version, but for cartoon images, Nano Banana 2 usually works just as good. And here is a quick tip. If you have access to Higgsfield like me, this is currently by far the fastest way to make image-based story videos because they have a feature called Popcorn, which lets you upload an image as the starting image and then explain how you want the rest of your scene and your story to play out. And then it will generate up to 7 images for you. And it will also keep the character visuals pretty consistent throughout the scenes as well. So yeah, it is way quicker using this rather than having to come up with a new prompt and generate each image individually as part of your story narrative. But yes, let's now move on to the next niche, which is this: religion and spirituality visualization. Yes, so this is actually quite similar to the history recreation niche if you think about it, because with that, creators recreate history using AI images and videos so that people can actually see with their own eyes what historical places and events would look like, which is what this niche does. It takes places or events in religious texts and recreates them based off of their descriptions to make them easier to visualize. For example, you take this channel here. They produce multiple shorter videos visualizing the Book of Revelation as an ongoing series. And then once the series was over, they then released them as one large video over an hour long that got over 2.3 million views as a way to repurpose them. And as you can see, this channel has the join button turned on. So yeah, it is in the partner program and it is being monetized. And so, just like with the history recreation niche, I would absolutely only use Nano Banana Pro here too. The goal with this niche is to try and create photorealistic visualizations, and the Pro version of Nano Banana is much better at doing that. Like, check it out. I created this picture here visualizing a scene from one of the plagues of Egypt talked about in the book of Exodus. Then I came back to Kling 3.0 and uploaded this image as the starting frame, and I got it to turn it into a video for me. And check it out, it made it for me. And I'll be honest, this was a pretty difficult prompt and video for it to make, so I'm actually quite impressed with what Kling created. Alright, let's now move on to the next AI video niche, slow English stories. Yes, I think this is a super underrated niche. Basically, people are creating these channels that help people practice and learn English by watching a story of a simple day-to-day life event. In the story, the characters talk to each other slowly and clearly. This helps people learn English by seeing words be used in a real-life context. So for example, check out this video here. It was uploaded 1 month ago and it's already had over 340,000 views. It tells a story of a couple going to get burgers at a fast food restaurant, and it tells its stories just with text and images. And check out this video here that's had over 4.4 million views in the past 5 months. It tells the story of a family going to the airport. This one instead just tells their story through animations. And if you watch the video yourself, you'll see that while the characters do talk, their voices aren't even lip synced and the viewers don't even seem to care. And as you may have already calculated, 4.4 million views can earn a lot of estimated ad revenue. But it can only earn that if the channel is actually in the YouTube Partner Program, which we can prove it is because look, the channel has the thanks button turned on. Nice. And creating these videos is pretty simple. Currently, Pixar Disney style animation is the most trendy and popular for this niche. Although since Pixar and Disney are trademarked phrases, I'd instead just prompt Nano Banana, either version 2 or Pro, whichever you want to use, to generate an image in a cinematic kids 3D style image. And it'll generate it in pretty much the exact same style. And then if you want to animate it, Kling can do that really easily. Just upload your image as the starting frame and tell Kling what you want your characters to do, and it will turn it into an animated scene for you, no problem. So then, if this video has helped you, please subscribe. And if you'd like to learn about even more AI tools that you can use to start an online business, be sure to watch my next video here on screen, and I will see you in the next video.